Okay, let's see. Get a big hand. Big handful. Get 2 hands.
Another hand, maybe.
Put it on the table. No, he gets one more hand. One more hand. There it is, Papa. That's it. Put the lid on there because I know how you are. Whoa, Papa. Look at that money you got, Parker.
Oh, and he got $1.
Look at, he's got some big money right here.
And he got some dollars.
$2, $3.
Look at that.
$5.
Mason, Mary.
$7.
We'll take it there and
$8.
Parker.
$9.50, $9.60, $9.70, $9.80, $9.85, $9.90, $10 even.
$10 even? Was it exact $10 even? Really?
Come open your other present.
$10.
Well, that's what I can do.
It's not bad
That
for
could be a penny off.
2 little hands there.
Yeah,
$10.
$10 and a penny maybe.
Good job, Parker Pooh.